This humble kitchen spice has been used in medicine for over 2,000 years, and modern science proves why. Cloves contain one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory compounds, fight harmful bacteria better than some antibiotics, and may even help manage blood sugar. But before you start chewing them daily, here's what the research actually says about their health benefits. And crucial safety tips most videos won't tell you. Cloves. A flavorful spice with healing powers. Cloves aren't just a delicious spice that adds warmth and sweetness to foods. They also have a long history of being used for healing and natural medicine. Where do cloves come from? Cloves are the dried flower buds of an evergreen tree native to East Africa and Southeast Asia. These small but powerful buds have been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine for their potential health benefits. How are cloves used? In the kitchen, cloves bring a rich, slightly spicy flavor to baked goods like spiced cookies and cakes, meat rubs and marinades, sauces and soups, warm drinks such as chai tea or mulled wine. Beyond cooking, people use clove oil, leaves, and stems in natural remedies. For example, clove oil is sometimes applied to ease toothaches due to its natural numbing effect. Clove extracts have been studied for their antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Are cloves good for you? Cloves are more than just a flavorful spice. They contain a powerful compound called Eugenol, which gives them their distinct aroma and may offer anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Clove oil is especially rich in eugenol, which is why it's sometimes used in traditional remedies. However, while small amounts of cloves in food are safe, there isn't enough solid scientific evidence yet to prove that cloves offer major medicinal benefits. Research is still ongoing to fully understand their potential. What's inside a serving of cloves? According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, about 6 calories, contains 1.4 g carbohydrates, a small energy source, 13 milligrams calcium for strong bones, 1.2 milligrams manganese, helps with metabolism and bone health, 5.4 milligrams magnesium, important for muscles and nerves, 21 milligrams potassium, supports heart health, 6 milligrams sodium, electrolyte balance, 3 micrograms vitamin K, essential for blood clotting. So, should you add cloves to your diet? Cloves are a healthier choice than processed foods like white bread or refined sugar, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. However, while cloves have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, modern science still needs more research to confirm many of their health claims. 1. Cloves for dental health. Can they ease pain and fight gum disease? Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for toothaches, and modern research suggests they may help with oral health. Can cloves reduce harmful bacteria? A study found that a herbal mouthwash containing cloves, basil, and tea tree oil helped reduce bacteria that cause plaque, cavities, and gum disease. However, this study was conducted in India and compared the herbal rinse with essential oil mouthwashes, not the ADA-approved mouthwashes you'd find in most drugstores. Because of this, we don't yet know how well clove-based mouthwashes compare to scientifically validated, dentist-approved products. Cloves for toothaches. Does it work? Another study found that a homemade clove oil gel worked as well as benzocaine, a numbing agent, in reducing gum pain before dental procedures. This supports cloves' traditional use as a natural pain reliever. However, while some people apply clove oil directly to aching gums, dentists warn against this. Dr. Modlow cautions. Clove oil can cause irritation, burning, or inflammation of the gums if used improperly. The bottom line: clove-based remedies show promise for oral health, but more research is needed to compare them to ADA-approved dental products. Clove oil may help with toothaches, but it should be used with caution, as improper application can lead to gum irritation. If you're experiencing persistent tooth pain, it's always best to see a dentist for proper treatment. 2. Can cloves help lower blood sugar? Some early research suggests that eugenol, the active compound in cloves, may help lower blood sugar levels. However, most of these studies have been conducted on animals, not humans, so we don't have enough evidence to say whether cloves have the same effect in people. Are cloves safe for people with diabetes? While cloves might help regulate blood sugar, taking clove supplements alongside diabetes medications could be dangerous. Dr. Modlow warns. Eugenol can interact with insulin or other diabetes medications, potentially causing blood sugar to drop too low, hypoglycemia. Severe hypoglycemia can be life-threatening, leading to confusion, fainting, or even coma. The bottom line: cloves may have potential benefits for blood sugar control, but more human studies are needed. If you have diabetes or take insulin, talk to your doctor before using clove supplements to avoid dangerous blood sugar drops. Instead of relying on cloves, stick to doctor-approved diabetes management strategies, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and prescribed medications. 3. Can cloves help protect against cancer? Some laboratory studies suggest that clove oil, clove extract, and eugenol may have cancer-fighting properties. These studies show that clove compounds can slow the growth of cancer cells in a controlled test tube environment. The catch: concentration matters. While these findings sound promising, the studies used highly concentrated doses of clove compounds, levels that would be toxic if consumed by humans. In real life, eating small amounts of cloves in food does not provide the same effect, and scientists need more research to see if cloves have any real impact on cancer prevention in humans. The bottom line: early research is interesting, but we don't have proof yet that cloves prevent cancer in humans. High doses of clove compounds can be toxic, so taking clove supplements or clove oil in large amounts is not safe. Eating cloves as part of a balanced diet is healthy, but it's not a substitute for proven cancer prevention strategies like a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and medical screenings. 4. Can clove oil relieve itchy skin? Some research suggests that clove oil may help soothe itchy skin. In one study, clove oil was found to be more effective than petroleum jelly and a placebo in relieving itchiness. Should you apply clove oil to your skin? While clove oil might help with itch relief, it's important to use it carefully. Some people experience burning, irritation, or even allergic reactions after applying clove oil directly to their skin. The bottom line: clove oil may help reduce itchiness, but results vary from person to person. Direct application can cause irritation, so it should be diluted with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, before use. If you have sensitive skin or allergies, it's best to do a patch test first or consult a dermatologist before trying clove oil. 5. Can cloves help improve breathing? Cloves have been used in traditional medicine to help with respiratory issues. Some people believe that cloves can clear stuffy noses, soothe sore throats, and ease coughing. How might cloves help? Steam inhalation. Boiling cloves in water and inhaling the steam may help open up congested nasal passages, much like a warm shower or a vapor rub. Chewing cloves. In traditional Chinese medicine, cloves are sometimes chewed to ease throat irritation and suppress coughs. Is there scientific proof? While cloves have a strong aroma that may help with congestion, there isn't enough scientific research to confirm that they directly improve breathing. However, steam itself is a well-known natural decongestant, so inhaling warm clove-infused steam might provide temporary relief. The bottom line: clove steam may help with stuffy noses, but it works similarly to regular steam inhalation. Chewing cloves for a sore throat is a traditional remedy, but there's no strong scientific evidence to prove its effectiveness. For severe respiratory issues like asthma or chronic coughs, it's best to see a doctor rather than relying on home remedies. Clove risks and side effects. When to be cautious. While cloves offer potential health benefits, they can also pose serious risks if used improperly, especially in concentrated forms like clove oil or supplements. Clove oil can be toxic. Even small amounts of clove oil can be dangerous, especially for children. Ingesting clove oil may lead to liver damage, seizures, or other severe reactions. Always store clove oil and products out of children's reach. Who should avoid clove products? Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Eating small amounts in food is generally safe, But there's no safety data on clove supplements or concentrated products during pregnancy or breastfeeding. People taking blood thinners or those with bleeding disorders. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, can thin the blood, making it harder to form clots and stop bleeding. If you take anticoagulants like aspirin or warfarin, or have a bleeding disorder, cloves could increase bleeding risks. Anyone undergoing surgery. Cloves can affect blood clotting and blood sugar levels, which may lead to complications after surgery. Doctors often recommend avoiding cloves before and after medical procedures. People with diabetes taking insulin or medications. Cloves may lower blood sugar levels, which can be dangerous if you're already on insulin or diabetes medication. This could lead to hypoglycemia, dangerously low blood sugar levels. Is it safe to drink clove water? Some people soak or boil cloves in water to drink as a natural remedy. However, Dr. Modlow warns against this practice. Clove water may contain unpredictable amounts of eugenol. There's no scientific evidence that drinking clove water provides health benefits. Excessive consumption may lead to unwanted side effects. The bottom line: enjoy cloves in food, tea, or mulled drinks as part of a balanced diet. Avoid clove oil ingestion or high doses of cloves, especially if you have medical conditions. If you take medications or have health concerns, consult a doctor before using cloves for medicinal purposes. While cloves show impressive potential, remember, natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone. Always consult your doctor before using them therapeutically, especially if you're on medications. Now we're curious. How do you use cloves? As a toothache remedy? In teas? Share your experiences below.